Introducing Cello from the House of Venus. It's a versatile and aesthetic water heater with unique elegant colors. It adds charm to your modern bathrooms along with indicator water temperature display and a unique inlet and outlet design for maximum convenience. Safety, efficiency and technology are all combined in one water heater, making it a more energy efficient water heater. Its 360-degree coverage with up to 3 cm extra thick PUF insulation keeps the water hot for a longer time, which reduces the energy consumption. Its heat retention technology is designed to lower thermal loss by 16% by eliminating the thermal bridge between the tank and external housing. It has a porcelain enamel glass-lined tank that is manufactured in a modern, automated plant using European technology. This technology protects the tank from rust and corrosion. Venus Cello is backed with 7-year guarantee on inner tank, 3-year guarantee on heating element and 2 years guarantee on the product. Get more savings with 5-star power ratings. It is available in horizontal and vertical models with different capacities. Venus, adding warmth to our lives.